So you want a hint on the new dummy secret badge, huh? Well, I am dressed up as a dummy today, and I'm going to tell you that, Chapter 5 is coming soon. Okay, you could have seen that, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna skip, or I'm not gonna skip the intermission because it's a dumb glitch. I'm gonna fix it. I know exactly what's wrong. It's actually pretty simple. It's with the portal model I'm using. So basically, if you haven't somehow found out already, if you go on the first map, there's a card. If you pick up the, hold on, I just need to do something quickly. Yeah, I need to make sure this doesn't ruin my video. So if you haven't noticed already, there is a card. Like, you should have noticed. Like, if you haven't noticed, I honestly feel bad for you because, like, it's pretty easy to see. It's right there. It's actually kind of hard to miss. Also, if you're wondering what this transparent thing is, it's kind of like the teleportation thing that teleports you in it. Basically, it makes it so it sometimes spawns you above, and it spawns you above onto that. You want to make the roof like you can fall through the roof. So basically, if you spawn up there, you'll just fall through. That's basically what I'm going to do. And who cares if I just grab Nightmare, because, like, it won't even do anything. Also, I have bad graphics right now, so the textures won't really appear for those. Also, why are those textures appearing? Just wondering. Because they don't appear for the vents in my computer. Bro, move. Move! Don't make me. Fine, you made me. It made me no clip. Let me go over here. Also, by the way, if you find yourself, I forgot I'm in first person mode. Oh my god. That's better. Alright. Now, if you find yourself in this situation, I recommend, if you want to get the badge, you hold the card out so you keep the card. Yeah. See? It works. See, like, it eventually happens. Then basically you want to run here. Alright, you want to grab your green key, and then you basically just want to beat the map. Turn sprint on, please. And then you'll notice there's a big boy key over here. Also, no, get me out of there. Man bar, don't really need that at the moment. Just unlock shiny, please. Oh god, I haven't really beaten the full game without cheats. It's kind of like something I'm not really the most proud of. Like, the fact that I haven't beaten my own game without, like, cheating and stuff. Bro, you're so fat, Shiny. Get out of my way. It's even hard with like God mode on, because these idiots, they just bump their belly into you. Sorry, that was just way too weird for me to say on YouTube. It's not too late to, like, learn how to edit on Screencast, right? I haven't made a video on computer in so long. Oh my god, you fat piece of gold. Get out of my way. 7. No, not, yeah, yes, 7, yes, 7. Don't be following me. It's not following me. That's epic. 5. Alright, nice. Let's just, why am I in first person mode? Like, on computer it might be a little bit easier. So, like, also terrific turkey, you're not supposed to open the door, or, like, not open the door. You're not supposed to open it with the card. Basically what you do is find the key. I'm gonna show you something. It's pretty epic. It's pretty epic, hence being like an epic gamer. So you get the card. Make sure you have the card at all times. Equip your card. Go over here. If you're wondering what that, idiot, I hate you so much. Alright, let me just, haha, noob, you can't get me. You can get me. Oh. Okay, I'll have to, like, fix that. Anyways, that's not supposed to happen. But what, this path basically I mean, you have to get a key from the forest map, and then jungle map. Then you have to come back, use this path to come back here. Ha! L noob. Hold on, I have to, don't use this path like I did. Make sure you unlock the yellow key first before using the path. I'm gonna disable that. There. Oh, I haven't talked to him in a while. That's cool. And they see you open it and the tree comes. Then you want to open this and bloody comes. Then, here is the last hint I'm giving you. I know it's a little hard to see, but like, I think there's a key in here. And you pick up the key. I'm renaming this to Giant Key, by the way, because it's a big boy key. Just look at this. Yellow key compared to big boy key. Got yourself a giant key, and this is for the door in the mansion. You're welcome. Now everyone grab that secret badge. Oh yeah, and the reason I have the path again, it's because if you are doing the event, take the secret path. It's because you need to keep both of the items. It makes sense. And then you can just, you know, like fall down right here. And then, oh god. Oh yeah, yeah, that happened. Just don't do what I did, alright? And you'll be fine. So, there you go. Now I'm going to be buffing the boss fight because I just gave you guys that hint. You're welcome. Give me Robux. Bye.